Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video from me and so you can join my glam fam if you haven't already. In today's video, I'm going to show you my spring Easter glam look. And if you guys enjoy, please hit that like button. And if you want to get this look, make sure to stay around. And the comment shout out of the video goes to, thank you so much for commenting. Be sure to comment down below if you want to be featured in my next video. And let's go ahead and get into the video. To start this look, I know I look like a bum, I'm sorry, but we're going to go ahead and dip into the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, and this is actually the mini. I really want to get the full version. I had the gel one a long time ago, and it definitely made my pores so smooth and my skin feel amazing when I used it, so I might have to buy that again. For my base today, I'm actually going in with the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream in the shade Light. I've really been into the makeup videos recently. I don't know why, but I think we're coming back. We're coming back. I really like this setup with the mirror and everything because I feel like it looks very crisp and sharp, you know what I mean? This really is not my color, but that's okay. If it's not our color, we're definitely going to have to go down on the neck because we do not want ourselves looking like a clown. So now that I actually have this on, I'm actually going to go ahead and go in with concealer. I always go in with this one. This one is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It's amazing and it's in the shade Light. I literally love the sponge on this. The only thing I don't like is that I go through it so fast. So I have to buy like two at the same time. I feel like that's fine. So for today's look, we're actually going for an Easter vibe because, you know, Easter. And also spring, pretty colors, and actually have the perfect palette for spring. So I really wanted to do a spring look. Now I'm just going to set my under eyes with this translucent powder from Laura Mercier, which I'm pretty sure you guys know of this powder. And if you don't, it's a really good translucent powder that sets your concealer in place where it won't move or crease on you. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop on some eyebrows and I'll be right back. Now we have some eyebrows on. Now we're going to jump into the eyes while that powder is sitting. So I was thinking about doing a very, very simple but pretty Easter color vibe type of thing. So the palette I'm using today actually is the Maddie Ziegler The Imagination palette from Morphe. And I love this palette, and I actually did a review on it. So if you guys want a full review on me testing out this palette, make sure to tap in one of these corners and you can watch that video after this one. So for the overall like lid shade, I'm going in with Butterfly Fantasy. I usually use this one if I just want this really light shade all over my eye, and it is very pretty as well. It has like a tiny bit of a tint of pink to it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and dip into Maddie Girl. I'm just blending that out in my crease and working it up, kind of as like a transition shade. Then I'm going to go ahead and dip in with She Insists, which is that very, very bright purple. And I'm just packing that into the outer corner and then working it up a little bit. And now I'm actually thinking about going in with, yeah, we're gonna go in mint, which is this green, bright green shade right here. This is stunning. I love this color. And I'm just gonna pack that in to the center and inner corner of my eye where there's like no purple. This is so pretty. I love color. I love pastel colors. I will dip in more to pastel colors than like deep bright colors just because they make me happy. Now I'm gonna go back in with like a fluffy brush and take that purple again and just blend it to where that green ended, so it just looks flawlessly blended. Kind of like that.
Now that is some stunning eyeshadow.
Now I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off the fallout and the translucent powder that was there. That's why I left the translucent powder there, just in case we had some fallout, so I could just brush it away easier with the translucent powder. Also, I'm going to blend out these edges to make them not seem so sharp. I'm just going to take that purple shade again and just work it on my lower lash line. Look how pretty. Now we are going to move on to some mascara. So first we need to curl the lashes like always. And then I'm taking the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. It is the purple one. I've really been liking this mascara. It definitely makes my lashes look super thick and long. Like, look how pretty. This mascara is perfect for this look. I love doing like a very bright eyeshadow look and then not putting falsies on to cover it up, just doing like long eyelash mascara. Then I'm gonna let that dry, and then what I'll do is recurl my eyelashes so they stay curly. So now our eyeshadow is all completed, and now I'm going to go ahead and finish off the face. So for my face, I'm going in with the Cheek Star palette. For bronzer today, we are using the Hoola bronzer right here. And just swooping it on there. And I'm also putting that on my nose to make it blend in with the face and not look super white. And then I'm going to take that blush that's in that same palette and work it more towards the bronzer to make it look a little natural. Now that our mascara has pretty much dried, I'm going back in with that eyelash curler, clamping them, releasing. I mean, do you see how much curl that eyelash curler gives you? Like, we love that. And then I'm going in with that cookie highlighter from that same palette, and I love this highlighter. It's so beautiful. So stunning. Do you see that? It just gives that glow that you just need. I would recommend this highlighter for anyone that's like around my skin tone. It works for your skin tone in the summer too when you have that golden bronze. It is so amazing. I'm actually going to take a tiny brush and put that same highlighter in the inner corner. It honestly is even more blinding if you wet the brush. And now it's time for some lips. For lips today, I actually want to do something like pretty nude and not very bam out there, because my eyeshadow is definitely out there today. So I'm actually going in with the Bella Pierre Cosmetics lipstick in Incognito. And to go over my lips, I'm actually going in with the Too Faced Lip Injection lip gloss. Now we are all set. So now the last step is some Morphe setting spray.
My lips are burning.
So here is the final look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to hit that like button if you did. Let me know if you have any video recommendations in the comments down below. And I love you guys. I will see you in a couple days. Bye. Let's go ahead and roll these bloopers. That focus though.